Guys, my name is Sanjay Kumar Barik and today I am going to teach you an excellent topic. The topic name is different kinds of verb. Let's know what are the different kinds of verbs and how do you know it, and you know that all action words are called verb, and this verb is divided into many categories. So let's know. First is verb. So first we know what is the verb. The action words, all action words are called verbs. ACTION, action words. All action words are called verb. So next you know that this verb is divided into two types, that is main verb and auxiliary verb. You know that what are the two kind of verb? One is main verb and second is auxiliary verb. AUXILIARY, auxiliary verb. This main verb is that go, come, play, and dance, and think, and call, give, etc. And this auxiliary verb is also known as the helping verb, and this verb is known as, that is is, am, and are, and was, then were, then have, then has, then should, etc. So we understand what is verb. All action words are called verb, and this verb is divided into two types, that is main verb and auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is also called helping verb. This is also called helping verb. And this main verb is that is go, come, play, dance, think, call, give, etc. And the auxiliary verb is, am, are, was, were, have, has, should, would, can, could, may, might. These are also helping verb. Let's know what are the two kind of auxiliary verb or two kinds of helping verb. First we erase this. The auxiliary verb divided into two types, that is primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. So primary auxiliary is that here primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Okay, you know guys, this auxiliary verb divided into two types, that is primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. The words that come under the primary auxiliary are like is, am, are, was, were, and do, does, did, etc. Then modal auxiliary, you might have known about the modal auxiliary, that is shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, etc. So guys, you understand the main verb is divided into two types, that is primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. So this auxiliary verb and help you to write the sentence and clearly, perfectly. So I would like to say that we should have to create idea. The verb is divided into two types, that is main verb and auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb also divided into two types, that is primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. So let's know the transitive verb and intransitive verb. The main verb divided into two types, that is transitive verb and intransitive verb. Main verb is divided into two types, that is transitive and intransitive. Transitive verb and intransitive verb. Intransitive verb. Okay, so do you know guys what is transitive verb and what is intransitive verb? Yes, the verb which have objects. The verb which have objects. Object is called transitive verb. The verb which have no object is called intransitive verb. No object. OBJECT. No object is called intransitive verb. I would like to say that its example is that I speak English. I speak English. Here, English is the object. Subject is I, speak is main verb, and English is object. So, we say that this is a transitive verb. And here, in transitive verb, I speak. So, here there is no object. So, this is called intransitive verb. So guys, better you understand what is the two type of main verb. Main verb is mainly divided into two types, that is transitive verb and intransitive verb. And transitive verb that have objects, and intransitive verb that have no object. And this example is I speak English, because I is subject and speak is verb and English is object. And here intransitive verb I speak, because it has no object, so this is called intransitive verb. So guys, you betterly understand what are the different kinds of verb, and what is main verb, what is helping verb, and what are the different kind of helping verb, what are the different kind of main verb. I hope this lesson will help you to speak English, write English, read English, and make you perfect. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my video.